If you're facing some really tough outdoor cleaning challenges, this petrol-powered extra heavy-duty pressure washer from Ryobi will take them on without breaking a sweat. It does all the dirty work, while all you need to do is pull the trigger. The jet stream is so powerful, it'll blast away oil and stains from the garage floor, knock off caked-on mud from the underside of your four-wheel drive, or clean windows and surfaces up on the second floor without even getting out of your deck chair. That's because the powerful Yamaha engine generates 3,200 PSI and a water flow rate of 9.5 litres per minute. That's a powerful pressure washer. You can't underestimate the versatility of this machine. It has 4 different nozzles specifically designed to tackle the most common outdoor cleaning tasks. The 0-degree nozzle is for the toughest tasks where you need all the pressure directed into a narrow stream. But remember, don't use the 0-degree nozzle on any delicate surfaces, like your car's Juco. The 25-degree nozzle is a general purpose setting for larger surfaces. It's great for removing dirt and mud from paths and driveways. For light cleaning and wide-angle rinsing, like on your cars, bikes and boats, you'll want the 40-degree nozzle because it's a lot more gentle than the other settings. The soap nozzle will automatically access the soap dispenser, which is great for pre-soaking your cars. Being petrol-powered, you're not tethered to a cord, so you can go anywhere you need to get the job done. With convenient handle, sturdy frame and big wheels, moving around's a breeze, which is great for when you need to get those big jobs done. Plus, it's got a whopping 10.5 metre pressure hose, so you'll never pull up short. If you want to take the drama out of the toughest jobs, let your Ryobi do the dirty work for you.
Ryobi, a cut above.